Welcome to the world of TRENDX. We design stylish and functional solutions for those who appreciate organization and convenience in their daily lives. Our collection features organizers for hairstyling tools and cosmetics, ensuring secure storage and protection for your beauty essentials. Looking for a stylish and practical way to store your hairstyling tools? The TRENDX organizer offers both flexibility and convenience, making it the perfect choice for home and travel. Featuring a foldable divider, it effortlessly separates delicate tools or creates extra space for larger styling essentials. The removable heat-resistant mat, made from composite nylon, provides superior protection. Roll up your hot tools for safe storage or lay the mat flat to shield surfaces from heat damage. Let's talk about beauty organization. Meet the TRENDX Makeup Organizer, designed to keep your brushes and cosmetics perfectly arranged, whether at home or on the go. With a dedicated makeup brush section, your tools stay protected, organized, and always ready to use. This makeup organizer maintains its shape when opened, providing easy access to your beauty essentials without collapsing. Its smart design ensures effortless packing and unpacking while preserving a sleek, elegant look. A beauty organizer that adapts to your needs. The removable divider lets you create a structured space or an open storage area. Use it separately for small beauty essentials or keep it inside for a perfectly organized layout. At TRENDX, we believe beauty and organization go hand in hand. Our organizers are designed to make your routine effortless and stylish. They offer smart and stylish organization, keeping your beauty and styling tools neatly arranged and eliminating clutter. With high-quality materials, they provide durability and protection, ensuring long-lasting use while shielding your essentials from damage. And of course, they're travel-ready, lightweight, compact, and spacious, making them perfect for staying organized at home or on the go. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and organization with TRENDX, your ultimate solution for storing hairstyling tools and cosmetics. Upgrade your beauty routine with effortless organization because every detail matters.